Once upon a time, in a bustling farm, lived a kind-hearted turkey named Tucker. Tucker was different from the rest, for he had a heart full of gratitude and a spirit of giving. As Thanksgiving approached, the farm animals were busy preparing for the big day. The cows were milking, the pigs were rooting, and the chickens were laying eggs. But Tucker, with his generous heart, wanted to do something special. One day, Tucker noticed a small bird, shivering in the cold. He approached the bird and asked, "Dear friend, why do you look so cold and unhappy?" The bird replied, "I lost my nest, and now I have no home." Tucker felt a pang of sympathy. He remembered an old, empty barn where he used to play as a chick. He decided to share it with the small bird. "Come, friend," he said, "I have a home for you." The small bird was overjoyed and moved into the barn. Tucker continued his preparations for Thanksgiving, but his heart was filled with a sense of fulfillment. He had given a home to a friend in need, and that made his heart even more thankful. On the day of Thanksgiving, as the farmers gathered to feast, they noticed the barn empty. Tucker had given his place to the small bird. They were surprised, but Tucker explained, "I have a full heart, for I have given a home to a friend." The farmers were touched by Tucker's kindness and generosity. They realized that Thanksgiving wasn't just about feasting, but about giving and sharing. From that day forward, they celebrated Thanksgiving with a newfound sense of gratitude and compassion, just like Tucker. And so, the story of Tucker, the giving turkey, became a legend on the farm. His kindness and generosity taught everyone that the true spirit of Thanksgiving lies not in receiving, but in giving. And that, my friends, is a universal truth that we should all remember.